Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Microsoft Azure Architect Technologies, AZ-303. Module 3, Implement Management and Security Solutions. Section 1, Introduction to Management and Security. A. Overview of IT management and security. B. Importance of IT management. C. Role of security in IT management. D. Key concepts and terminologies. Section 2, IT infrastructure management. 1. Network management. A. Network configuration and management tools. B. Monitoring network performance and health. C. Managing network devices and topologies. 2. Server management. A. Server roles and configurations. B. Managing physical and virtual servers. C. Backup and disaster recovery strategies. Section 3, Security Fundamentals. A. Basic security principles. B. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability, CIA triad. C. Authentication, authorization, and accounting, AAA. D. Security policies and procedures. 1. Risk management. A. Identifying and assessing risks. B. Risk mitigation strategies. C. Business continuity planning. Section 4, Implementing security solutions. 1. Endpoint security. A. Antivirus and anti-malware solutions. B. Endpoint detection and response, EDR. C. Secure configurations and patch management. 2. Network security. A. Firewalls and intrusion detection/prevention systems, IDS/IPS. B. Virtual private networks, VPNs, and secure remote access. C. Network segmentation and access control lists, ACLs. Section 5, Identity and Access Management, IAM. 1. User authentication. A. Password policies and multi-factor authentication, MFA. B. Single sign-on, SSO, solutions. C. Federated identity management. 2. Access control. A. Role-based access control, RBAC. B. Least privilege principle. C. Managing permissions and auditing access. Section 6, Security monitoring and incident response. 1. Security information and event management, SIEM. A. SIEM solutions and their components. B. Log management and correlation. C. Real-time monitoring and alerting. 2. Incident response. A. Incident response lifecycle. B. Developing an incident response plan. C. Incident handling and forensic investigation. Section 7, Cloud management and security. 1. Cloud service models and security. A. Understanding IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. B. Cloud security best practices. C. Managing and securing cloud environments. 2. Cloud security solutions. A. Identity and access management in the cloud. B. Data protection and encryption in the cloud. C. Cloud security posture management, CSPM. Section 8, Compliance and legal considerations. 1. Compliance frameworks and standards. A. Common compliance standards, e.g., GDPR, HIPAA, PCI-DSS. B. Implementing compliance controls. C. Conducting compliance audits. 2. Legal and ethical issues. A. Data privacy laws and regulations. B. Ethical hacking and penetration testing. C. Reporting and managing data breaches. Section 9, Emerging trends and technologies. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in security. A. AI or ML applications in threat detection. B. Automation and orchestration in security operations. 2. Zero Trust Security Model. A. Principles of Zero Trust. B. Implementing Zero Trust Architecture. 3. Security Challenges in IoT. A. IoT Device Management and Security. B. Securing Communication in IoT Environments. Section 10. Practical Implementation and Case Studies. 1. Real-world Case Studies. A. Analysis of significant security breaches. B. Lessons learned and best practices. 2. Hands-on labs and exercises. A. Configuring and managing security tools. B. Simulating security incidents and responses. C. Developing and implementing security policies.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.